Okay, very nice, Yashmit. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So, ma'am,
Morning, ma'am.
grassland is the part of.
Till now.
So, ma'am, grassland is the part of North America.
No, beta. Greenland.
Yes, ma'am.
Greenland, yes. I think it is a part of North America only.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. It lies in North Atlantic Ocean. Greenland is the world's largest island lying in the North Atlantic Ocean.
Ma'am, what we will do?
We will do English creative writing. Let everybody join. I'll wait for a minute more and then I'm going to log this meeting and then I will tell you what to do.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, I want to tell you something.
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, did you know, ma'am, in the starting, ma'am, India was the part of the South Africa, and ma'am, the part of the India, Rajasthan, was the part of Pakistan.
Yes, I know that about Rajasthan, but what did you say before Rajasthan?
Ma'am, Dad, I have said that India was the part of South Africa.
India was a part of South Africa. Okay, where did you read it from?
On Google.
On Google. Okay. How many students are there?
No,
It's
ma'am.
just 15.
Ma'am, but in Atlas book, I said there's a part of Asia. No, due to tsunami, India is the part became the due to tsunami, India became the part of Asia.
Okay. Everybody, please get your English creative writing copies. Already got them?
Ma'am, I have already bought it.
Brought it, not bought it. Bought means to buy something. Okay. We are going to do picture
Morning, ma'am.
today. Yes, good morning.
Today we will do picture composition.
Yes, picture composition. Which picture that I showed you yesterday only? That picture.
Okay.
Now, how you're going to write about that picture, just listen to me, everyone. First of all, you will give introduction of what that picture is about. It is a classroom. Classroom is a place where, and then you will describe what kind of a place is a classroom. It is a place, it is a room where children of same age, same grade study together. Isn't it? Is that the correct introduction for classroom? Yes or no? Okay, then in this picture, now what all can be seen? See, I'll share screen and then discuss. In this picture, what all can be seen? You're going to describe that. Can you see the picture, all of you?
Ma'am, it is loading. Yes, ma'am, it's loading. Loading.
Loading. Loaded now?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, it is loading.
Still loading.
No, ma'am, it is still now loading. Yes, ma'am, it is. Ma'am, yesterday we have spent this picture. So, ma'am, we have to write about this.
Yes, you have to write about this. Now, how you have to write about this? You have to listen to it first. Don't just start writing and then you'll say, ma'am, I have done, I have done. Okay, take your time to write. Now, when you describe a picture, you describe it like you are describing it to a blind person. Think that the one you'll read out to is a blind person, and he can imagine so well that this picture comes in his mind in the same way how it looks. You have to describe it so nicely. So first you give introduction. Introduction is, this is a picture of a classroom. Classroom is a place where students study together, students have fun together, students of same age, same grade sit together, share their thoughts, their feelings, their tiffins, they exchange their stationery, they study together, work together, fight together. Anything you can write in the introduction. Then after that comes the main body. In this picture, I can see the classroom is pink color. It is painted in pink color. There's a big blackboard in the middle of the front wall. On the right hand side of the wall, there is a calendar on which a peacock is made. Okay, you have to describe it like this very nicely in detail. Then there is, now what this picture looks like, children? What is this teacher doing in the class?
The teacher is teaching math.
Ma'am, the teacher is teaching the student.
Okay.
And ma'am, the teacher is teaching the students Hindi.
Okay. But okay, listen, you all have told me, according to you, the teacher is teaching. But what I see in this picture is the teacher is holding book in his hand and asking questions. He is conducting a quiz, and children are raising their hands. I can see this in the picture. Yes, children are raising.
But some of the children are talking. Some of the children are doing something else.
Yes. See, a few children who know answers are raising their hands. Few are not raising their hands. While the backbenchers, the two boys are busy talking. They are not paying attention to teachers' questions. And the girl sitting at the back is raising the hand and telling these boys to stop talking. She's telling them not to talk. So you have to describe it very nicely. On the right hand side of the class, I can see only boys, and on the left hand side, the sitting arrangement is of girls. The sitting arrangement is such that the right hand side and the left hand side, you can describe like this. Then you can talk about the number of, wait, let me speak. Then you can write about the number of benches, the number of children in the class, then how this class looks, neat or dirty, you know, various things. Now speak what you want to say.
Ma'am, I want to say like this, ma'am, like this is the class 4C and the English teacher is like teaching English and
yes,
ma'am.
See, now with this picture, it is not clear whether the teacher is Hindi teacher or English teacher. That is on your choice. Okay, it is completely on you. What I see in the picture is the teacher is conducting a quiz. If you think the teacher is teaching Hindi, English, you can write that. Yes. Now,
Can like the backbencher which is sitting at the left side, the girl. I want to write that like this girl is asking the question from the last backbencher boys and then raising her hand.
yes, you can write that. But then backbencher, these boys are just busy in themselves. They're not even listening to anyone. See how involved they are, engrossed they are in their discussion. They're not paying attention to the teacher only. Now this way, and in the end, after describing the complete picture, how are you going to end this picture? By your thoughts. What are your thoughts about a classroom? Right? Classroom is a place, I love my classroom. I love classroom. Classroom is a place where I spend most of the time after my home. Isn't it? When you come to school, when your regular classes take place, it is the only place where you spend most of your time apart from your home. So you can write that. Now start writing. All queries, I think, are answered. Now do it on your
Ma'am,
Yes.
after these boys who are discussing, there is one more boy after that in the second series. Ma'am, I don't know where he is seeing. Is seeing.
In the second row. On the second row.
Yes, ma'am. He is seeing somewhere, and I can't see. I can't understand what he is seeing.
Maybe he is looking at the door. Somebody is crossing from the corridor. Somebody is passing through the corridor, and his attention has been diverted to the corridor. We can take it like that.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I think this teacher is a maths teacher.
Okay,
I
well,
think.
whatever you think, now write.
Ma'am, can we write the heading picture description? Ma'am. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done my picture description yesterday. So can I? Can I read?
What?
Please send spelling of picture description in the
Ma'am,
chat box.
Okay, I will send it. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait.
Ma'am, we have to send on WhatsApp.
No, you don't have to send on WhatsApp. You will just read it out.
Ma'am, what do
Ma'am,
we?
ma'am, can I read?
No, beta, no. Let everybody write. The class gets over at 11:20. Before 11:10, I will not start reading. Let everyone write first. My laptop is hanging. I don't know why.
ma'am,
Yes. Chat not responding. Beta, my chat is not responding. Write the spelling of description. DES. Be quiet, everyone. DESCRIPTION. Description. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent. Ma'am, I have sent the spelling to Arup Gupta.
Okay, but my laptop is not moving. The cursor is not
What is
moving.
this is the screen black?
Beta, I
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
know. Nothing is happening on my laptop.
Ma'am, ma'am, in the keyboard, press ESC key.
Escape key I have